What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I have another awesome recipe for you all to enjoy. We are going to be making the most amazing truffle hot honey wings in my air fryer. These are absolutely delicious, so easy to make, and I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's not waste any time and get right on into the recipe. Let's go. We're gonna begin with about 2.5 pounds of some chicken wings. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of oil on them bad boys and give them a nice luxurious massage as we always do. You know we gotta season it up proper. On the screen I've listed everything you need to do so, and it will be in the description box as well. So go ahead and be very generous with the seasoning right here. We are using Truffle Salt by Truff, and like I said, go ham, go crazy, and make sure your chicken is well coated up. We're gonna air fry these bad boys at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. Go ahead and load up your tray. You do wanna flip them halfway through the cooking process, okay? So in total, we're gonna cook them for about 20 to 25 minutes. And like I said, halfway through that cook, go ahead and give them a flip. While our chicken is cooking and doing its thing, we got to work on that delicious hot honey, not regular hot honey, excuse me, truffle hot honey sauce, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my pan to about a medium heat, and we're gonna drop in about a tablespoon of some unsalted butter, and we're gonna be using this truffle hot sauce by Truff. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go ahead and drop in about 1/4 cup of that into our pan. Go ahead and give that a mix. Then we're gonna add in 1/4 cup of some honey, baby. Go ahead and get that in your pan as well. Let it come to a little simmer just for a minute or so, and you are pretty much ready to get that chicken out of that air fryer and dump this yummy, delicious sauce right over the top. So this is how our chicken is looking. Absolutely beautiful. Go ahead and load them into a mixing bowl so we could get them sauced up, baby. Man, oh man, if you could smell the aroma in my kitchen, baby. Oh, smelling so good, looking even better. Dump that sauce over the top just like so, and we're just gonna go ahead and keep it nice and simple and toss them up. Ooh wee. This right here is so delicious. You just have to give this one right here a try. Once you go ahead and toss them up in that sauce, you are pretty much ready to plate up, and you are ready to buzz down. I'm gonna go ahead and hit you with that beef roll. This is absolutely everything. So amazing, and I can't wait for you guys to try it. If you enjoyed today's video, of course, hit that subscribe button if you're new. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave me a like, and I'll be sure to see you on the next video. Deuces.